So it's 2 o'clock on the hurricane day, and it's like windy like this with intermittent heavy to not so heavy rain right now. Today is the day after this big hurricane, and I'm floating on a bed with a mattress on top of it and a bunch of clothes in a flooded house. My house is on stilts. It's not supposed to flood. My cars are covered even though I left, we checked, took the canoe down, even though we parked them on high ground. Everything is devastated. The water is in my house past the windows. Understand, my house is 10 feet off the ground. I'm still waiting to be rescued. It's been 12 hours and I'm on a floating bed with a mattress on it and clothes piled underneath it. It's horrible. That's the water. It's up to the window. The refrigerator fell down. Everybody's floating on. There's my house. These wonderful people just rescued us. Everything is completely ruined. This is my neighborhood. Well, not anymore. So there's my property from that all the way over to this corner that we're about to go in, and then to the left. So this is 5 days after the storm. This is the first day I'm coming to see my house, and the water has gone down about 5 feet, but everything's, oh my God, my bamboo. Lord have mercy. This video is day 5 from the back of my porch. There's mass destruction and a whole bunch of my dead birds, but there's still one alive right there, skinny. I'm gonna get today's day 5. I was finally able to go and see the one area, and this is my one bird that survived. There was dead birds all over. This is Skinny. Friday, October 9th, 10 days after the storm. This is the first time I've walked on my property. I came by boat on day 4 when the water was still about 9 or 10 feet high. We were able to canoe over all this stuff, so I've not seen it before. The devastation is absolutely unreal. Today is the first day I'm walking into my property. It's 10 days after the storm, and 2 of my birds that were outside that I thought were dead, they're alive. Oh my God. Hi, sweethearts. Oh, you're still alive. My little queen and Mr. Swan. Oh my God, I can't believe it. They survived out here. So it's almost a month later, and I'm here trying to save some more things, scrub the mold off what was taken out of the house, the wooden things, and gather the stuff from the yard that could be saved, and sadly lay my birds' bodies to rest, my beloved pets that haven't disintegrated.